Here is the GravInfuse. It comes in this handy little kit, and inside what you're going to find is the instruction manual, a GravInfuse body, a glass burn chamber, 2 stainless steel extension tubes, and we'll get into those in a minute, 2 glass ends that connect with this silicone tube that you'll find up here in the mesh. The GravInfuse comes pre-assembled, but it's a good idea to check to make sure your tubes are sticking out the same distance on both sides. This will help make sure you get good flow through the system. To assemble your silicone hose, take the 2 glass ends and simply press them in like this. We're going to use the GravInfuse with a shot glass. To use it with shot glass, we won't need the extension tubes. Those are for bottles. We'll set those over there. First, what we want to do is simply insert the GravInfuse into a shot glass and press it in until it makes a good seal. Holds things good and tight. Next, take another empty shot glass and press it over the top until it also makes a good seal. We can do a check to make sure everything's flowing good by simply flipping it over. Everything looks right. Nothing's leaking out. Now, just to make sure that we understand clearly, the longer tube is the inlet tube, and this is the side that the burn chamber goes on. After the shot glasses are installed, insert your loaded burn chamber into the side with the longer tube. The whip is optional, especially with a shot glass. You can simply press it in if you want to use it, but in general, most people find that just simply flipping the shot glasses like this works either way. No problem. After assembling your GravInfuse and getting everything ready to go, it's best to have your lighter ready. Light your lighter, flip, and light like this. So now let's talk about common issues. It's important to flip the GravInfuse quickly. This helps the valve seal and keeps the liquid going where it's supposed to go. If you rotate too slowly, this can cause leakage, which can result in water in your burn chamber or water leaking out the output tube. To use the GravInfuse with larger bottles, install the extension tubes on the inlet tube like this. After installing the extension tubes, simply insert, push onto the full bottle first, and take the empty bottle, invert it, and push it down. You'll feel it click into place twice. It's best if the extension tubes have a small gap between the tube and the bottom. It's important that the burn chamber is installed on the side that has the long extension tubes, same as with the shot glass. The whip gets installed on the opposite side. Let's make some smoke. It's best when using bottles to simply flip, then light. It's a little bit easier with the bottles than with the shot glasses because there's more liquid, so you have more time to get everything going. And this is how to use the GravInfuse with bottles.